Hey, what's up, my YouTube friends? This is TJ's Woodworking Shop. I just got another gadget today. I think it was a very good price, too. I have to clean her up like the rest of them. Later on, when I use it, to get dirty. I want people to comment, like, and subscribe for sure. And see if somebody really knows about this Delta Shopmaster. I checked on Amazon and eBay, and eBay they want 175 or 179 bucks for one, and this one was real cheap. I want you guys to comment and guess how much you think I paid for this one. All right, and let me know what you think about it. I have to clean it up; it's all dirty, like all the used tools I get. In very good condition, like new. The guy had it inside, so the screws, some of the screws has a little bit of rust, but I'll take care of that like the other ones, the other sanders I got. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, and like always, thank you very much, and God bless.